Hello everyone, I'm Sogand. Welcome again. To this video, I want to speak about puzzle of meditation. When you think about meditation, which picture you imagine in your mind? Many people imagine one person sit and close his eyes. But meditation more than your image. Meditation teach your mind and includes 3 parts like puzzle. 1. Person learn how can do a meditation. For example, when you want to exercise and your coach teach you. 2. When you learn practice just like your gym. 3. A person live meditation is a part of life and live it. So, when you use 3 parts in your life, after that you do meditation. If you have a goal for do, you should be very patient. Okay, now take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Close your eyes. Now, listen to me. Please pay attention to your emotional voice around you. Your body